Just a quick update on another design change in the rocker bogie suspension. The rocker bogie suspension has two joints here and here that take an awful lot of stress, and you can hear when I move this suspension arm. Actually, you can even see how much stress is on that bearing with the side load of that suspension. So on this side, I have added another bearing retainer and a shoulder bearing, and that retainer essentially eliminates all of that side motion. Very smooth and eliminates all the motion. I also upgraded this joint from the single-sided piece that you see here to this one that now totally grabs the tube. I also extended this shoulder here a little bit so I could add a bearing retainer, so to speak, maybe just a dust cover, and that will go right in here to shield the bearing surface. I've made a little spot where it can be held on with two small screws. But in any case, yeah, this motion now is perfectly smooth, no side movement whatsoever. And prior to that design change, huge movement, big improvement.